Hello guys, welcome back once again to Basic Mathematics, where I don't rush, I don't complicate things, and I don't skip steps. Okay, if the basic principle you've learned before in single bracket is the same one we are going to use. And what is that principle? Whatever thing that is outside the bracket multiplies everything that is inside the bracket. Okay, principle. So come with me, let me guide you into expanding this bracket. Okay, this is what I'm given to simplify, right? Now take note, how many brackets do we have here? We have two brackets, right? And the basic principle is what? Notice what is outside the bracket. Minus 5 is outside this bracket. Minus 2 is outside this bracket. So minus 5 is multiplying everything inside this bracket. Minus 2 is multiplying everything inside this bracket. So let's go there. What I have is 5c, this 5c. Now, minus 5 times minus 3a. What I'm going to have is plus 15a, because minus times minus will give me plus. Okay. Next thing, minus 5 times plus b. What I'm going to have is minus 5b, because minus times plus will give me minus b. 5 times b will give me 5b. Okay, the same thing, minus 5 times minus 3c. Okay, what I'm going to have is plus 15c, right? I've opened this bracket. Let's open this other one too. Minus 2 times plus 8. What I'm going to have is minus 16a, right? Because minus times plus that is here is minus 2 times 8a is 16a, right? The next thing, minus 2 times minus 4b. Minus times minus will give me plus. So I have plus 2 times 4b. I have 8b, right? You've expanded your bracket. The next thing is to collect like terms. Now I have c here first of all. So where do I have c again? I have c here. So what I'm going to have is 5c. What is the sign in front of this 15c? Plus 15c. Okay, do I have c again? No. The next thing is plus 15a. So I have plus 15a. Where do I have a again? Minus 16a. So I have minus 16a. The next thing is my b. I have minus 5b. Where do I have b again? Plus 8b. I've collected my like terms. Okay, now let's simplify it more. 5c plus 15c, this is going to give me 20c, right? The next one is plus 15a minus 16a. This is going to give me minus a. Ordinarily, you should say minus 1a, but a is having an invincible 1. So 1a is the same thing as a, all right? The next thing is minus 5b plus 8b. This is going to give me plus 3b, okay? This is what I have as my final simplification of this bracket. Okay, please let me know at the comment section how well you understood this, and don't forget the basic principle. Like the video, share the video with family and friends. Okay, bye.